Once again, welcome back to another tutorial where we will show you how to create a Shopify mix and match bundle using the Radius Bundle app. First, let's head over to the Radius Bundle dashboard. Here, you will find a well-organized quick setup guide along with your previous activities and other useful information. Now, navigate to the bundles section because today we are going to create a new bundle. Among the 5 available bundle types, we will choose mix and match. If you missed the tutorials on the other 4 bundle types, you can find them in our previous videos from the Radius Bundle app series. This is the interface for creating mix and match bundle. Start by entering a suitable name for your bundle, then write a short description for the bundle offer. Next, we will create product groups, where customer can choose a specific number of items from each group. First, select any layout from the available layout styles. For example, if you choose this one, your bundle will look like this. Here, you will have a group heading, a short description, and an option to define how many products customers can select. Before that, click Select Products, then let's select Add Products. From here, add your required products one by one. Then click Add to save them. They will instantly appear in the live preview. Now choose one of these 3 selection options. If you choose exactly, customers must pick exactly one product from these 5 products. If you select between, customers can choose within a specific range, such as 1 to 2 products. Simply set both the minimum and maximum values. Or if you choose at least, you will need to define the minimum number of products customer must select. Once that's done, move to Group 2. Follow the same steps as before. Set the group heading, write a description, choose the selection option along with its minimum or maximum range, and then add the products you want. You can always review everything from the live preview before saving. Before moving on, make sure the bundle status is set to active. After finishing the product settings, move to the discount settings. First, select the percentage as the discount type and enter the discount amount. Notice how the changes are reflected instantly in the live preview. Next, try discount amount, set a value and observe the changes again. You can also try the bundle price option. For this tutorial, I will use discount percentage and enter the desired amount. Below that, you'll see bundle as product. We will disable this option for now. Next, move to the display section. Here you will find several widget layouts. Preview each layout and choose the one you like best. Then, under the product page settings, enter an offer title and an offer subtitle. Next, customize the Add to Cart button text. In the display settings, you will find several fields that you can show or hide. Simply enable the fields you want to display. If you disable any field, it will no longer appear on the page. Finally, go to the review section. Here, you can check all the settings and customizations you have made. Once everything looks good, click on Publish to save this. Now let's view the bundle. Here it is. As you can see, this is Group 1, where customers can select their preferred products. Below that is Group 2, where they can also choose their required product. After selecting products from both groups, customer can complete their bundle purchase. In this example, we have configured at least as the selection option for both groups. Now let's see Another example. This time we'll set between for group 1 while keeping the option at least for group 2. Let's preview the bundle again. Since we set the maximum selection to 4 products for the between option, customers can select up to 4 products from group 1. For the group number 2, we kept the minimum selection at 1 product. Finally, let's move to the settings section. This section lets you manage your bundle preferences. So let's go to the style first. Let's click on Open Style Customizer and get this type of appearance for the settings. Firstly, select your template type, for example, into Mix and Match. Then you will get several layout style for the filter grid, checklist, builder, steps, and for the gamified. Now let's choose a preset and customize for the quick start from here. As you can see, every time I choose a different quick preset layout, its accent colors, text colors, and other design elements changes instantly to match the selected style. For the shape and depth, you can modify the corner roundness, then set the spacing. For the product cards, you can customize the image fit, then button and badges, and the button color. While done, then click on Save to update the style successfully. Now let's view the responsiveness from 3 different dimensions. Now let's back to the single listing page again. And as you can see, all the differences are clearly visible after changes. Now let's click on Buy Bundle for the testing purpose. Now let's go to your cart. You will find Add it to your Mix and Match bundle. Now let's click on Checkout. It will redirect you to the checkout page. And this is how you can use Radius Bundle app for Shopify Mix and Match bundle. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.